Tonight is tamale pie for dinner. I'm Tess, and come join me in my kitchen while I make an easy and delicious classic Tex Mex tamale pie. Stay tuned. My family loves tamale pies. It is a one-pot dinner, which is great for those busy weekday nights, and you probably have most of the ingredients available in your pantry. I'm using my deep cast iron pan. You can use any deep oven-proof pan that you have. On medium heat, I'm adding in my ground beef and just chopping and spreading out. While the beef is still pink, I'm going to add in some liquid so the ground beef cooks down to a fine granular texture. I'm adding in some salsa that I needed to use and a small can of red enchilada sauce. Cooking, chopping, and stirring until the beef is broken up. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. This recipe is so versatile, and you can adjust the vegetables and seasonings to your liking or what you have available. It is a great time to clean up the refrigerator. Tonight I have some finely diced onion, bell peppers, and a small can of green chilies, giving that a good stir and bringing up to a simmer. Now is the time to add the seasonings. I have cheated before and used a packet of taco seasoning mix, but tonight I'm adding in some black pepper, and I'm not adding in any salt as I know the enchilada sauce can be a little salty. Minced garlic, oregano, chili powder, smoked paprika, and some cumin, giving that a good stir and cooking for 5 to 10 minutes or until some of the liquid is reduced. It's been about 7 minutes and I'm turning off my heat, adding in some cooked corn and giving it a good stir. Now for the cornbread topping. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl I have a box of cornbread mix, and I'm using Jiffy. I'm following the package instructions and adding 1 egg and some milk, giving that a good stir but not over mixing. To give the topping a little more flavor and texture, I'm adding in some leftover corn, a finely minced seeded jalapeno, and a handful of cheese. This is a mixed blend of cheese, giving that another good stir to combine. I'm adding some grated cheese on top of my ground beef mixture and then spooning on the cornbread topping and spreading out as best I can. This is going into a 400 degree Fahrenheit oven and baking for 25 to 30 minutes. And this is the tamale pie right out of the oven. It is piping hot and smelling good. While the pie is still warm, I'm topping with a little more grated cheese and chopped green onion. I'm letting this cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. I really like the Tex-Mex flavors, and the cornbread just adds so much flavor. If you are looking for an easy one-pot dinner that is full of flavor and satisfying, this is it. I hope you give this tamale pie recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.